I love using my flower curl when I've just washed my hair and blow dried it, and all I've put in my hair is just a bit of hair oil. Put the flower curl onto your wrist with the hooks facing the hand, just like that. Now you're going to position your hair into a high ponytail. If you have a short fringe like me, leave it out. To stop the curler from moving, you're going to grab one of the claw clips. These come with the flower curl, and you're going to just position it in the middle. You're going to remove this later. Moving on to the wrapping from front to back, meaning front to back. This means that the curl is going to sit away from the face. Leave a short dress, grab a bobby pin and insert it there, and then wrap the remaining hair. Use the claw clip that comes with the flower curl and just secure the end with it. I'll show you how I wrap the fringe. Grab the fringe and then wrap it around one of the rings, and then either secure with a claw clip. I quite like using a bobby pin, and that's it, all set.